Welcome to Little Lumos! Hello, friends! Today, we will learn the orange color. This is orange. Orange fruit. Can you say orange? Say orange. Orange. This is orange. Orange carrot. Say orange. 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 This is orange. Orange tiger. Can you say orange? Say orange. Orange. This is orange. Orange pumpkin. Say orange. Orange. Orange.
Orange fruit. Orange carrot. Orange tiger. Orange pumpkin. All are orange.
Great job! You did amazing today! Keep learning and have fun! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time!